Trimflow 2.1 is here and comes with many user interface and quality of life improvements. The most obvious change is that Trimflow's 4 subpanels have been moved into tabs. This makes everything more streamlined and switching between creating, editing, and baking trim decals more comfortable. When switching between tabs, Trimflow saves you clicks by automatically selecting either your decals or the related target object accordingly. This can be disabled in the add-on's preferences, though. You may already have spotted the next new feature. There's now a new way to create trim decals. Instead of drawing a curve or using existing curves for your new decal, you can also create one by selecting an edge loop from your target object. Easy as that. Another new addition is this button that appears when you are editing a decal curve. It takes you from curve editing back to the decal's properties with just one click. For more changes and fixes, see the release notes in the documentation. If you use Trimflow, make sure to get this latest update. The node tree is still the same, so you just need to update the add-on itself. For feedback and especially support, feel free to join our Discord server. There's a link in the description. Thanks for watching.